Meaning of duopoly.
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 Duopoly. A duopoly is a market structure where two firms dominate the industry and have significant control over the price of goods or services. This type of competition can lead to higher prices and reduced product diversity due to limited competition. The two dominant firms may engage in tacit collusion to maximize profits, which can harm consumers by restricting output and increasing prices. Duopolies often arise in industries with high barriers to entry, such as telecommunications or airlines. Overall, a duopoly can have negative effects on consumer welfare and market efficiency.